How to turn the flashlight on and off, and how to adjust the flashlight brightness settings for the iPhone 13. So welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. I'll be showing you guys how to turn that flashlight on and off. That is on the back, right back here. The most easiest, most basic step is just if you have turned on your lock screen, press and hold the little flashlight icon, and as you guys can see, the flashlight turns on. But let's say you're inside your phone, you're on the home screen. If you just pull down to the left, it takes you right down to that same screen. You can press and hold, and it'll turn it on or off. Another way to do it is from the top right down, a little short screen menu. You'll see there's a flashlight icon. You can go ahead and select that to turn your flashlight on as well. You can use it to turn it off. And the way to adjust your brightness on your iPhone 13 flashlight is by just pressing and holding, and you will see an icon like this pop up. And once this pops up, you can select between these different settings, and I'm just going to go ahead and turn it this way for you guys so you guys can see it. There are different brightness. You guys are able to adjust and select whichever one you like. So once you have it set, let's say let's put on the second one, it's just going to be that brightness from there on out. So that is my quick tutorial on how to turn the flashlight on and off, how to adjust the brightness of the flashlight on the iPhone 13. This will work for other phones as well, other iPhones that have the same operating system. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.